students, once again welcome in math class. In previous class we had start chapter 3. What is the chapter name? Chapter 3 name More About Numbers. More about numbers. We had already done practice on 1, 2 and 3. Now open page number 39 of your Discovering Math. Page number 39 of your Discovering Math. Now open and write the mention date. First of all, mention date. What is the date today? Today is 22nd May 05 2020. Okay. Read with ma'am. WHAT what? WHAT what? COMES comes. What comes? BET bit. WEEN win. What comes between? What comes between? Let us look at the number line. Look at the number line. What comes between? What comes between 1 and 3? Yes, 2. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. Yes, 2 comes between 1 and 3. 4 comes between 3 and 5. Now we will do practice on 4. Practice on 4. Let's do with ma'am. Recall. RECALL. Call. Recall the काउंटिंग ऑर्डर. आपको काउंटिंग ऑर्डर रिकॉल कर अपने माइंड में याद करना है. काउंटिंग ऑर्डर क्या होती है बच्चे? काउंटिंग होती है 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है. फ्रॉम 1 to 50 राइट. WRITE राइट. WHAT what. राइट what comes in between. आपको राइट करना है what comes in between. बीच में क्या आएगा. ओके. नाउ स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट 9 and 11. What comes after 9? 10. Yes, in between क्या आएगा? 10. Now B part 18 and 20. What comes between 18 and 20? You have to recall counting order. What comes after 18? 19. Here you have to write down 19. What comes after 23? 24. Okay, write down 24. What comes between 23 and 25? 24. Now look at this. 36. What comes after 36? 37. Okay. 36 and what comes between 36 and 38? 37. Okay. Now what comes after 42? Yes, 43. What comes after 42? 43. That means 43 is between 42 and 42. 4. 43 और 44 की बिटवीन में क्या आएगा? 43. Now look at this. 48. What comes after 48? There is 49. 49 comes between 48 and 50. Okay. We had done the practice on 4. Now open page number 40 of your Discovering Maths. We will do concept of more or less. MORE more or less. LESS less. More or less. We will do concept of more or less. Look at the picture. There is a boy. There is a boy and a boy's hand. There are some balloons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 balloons, and there is a girl and girls having 1 2 3 4 balloons. Girl के पास 4 balloons हैं and boy के पास 7. Boy says I have 7 balloons. मेरे पास 7 balloons हैं. And girl says I have 4 balloons. मेरे पास 4 balloons हैं. I have 7 balloons and girl says I have 4 balloons. Who has more? More means बच्चे ज़्यादा. More means ज़्यादा और less means कम. Who has more? किसके पास ज़्यादा है? Boy has more balloons ना. Who has less? किसके पास कम है? Girl has less balloons. Okay. अब मोर और लेस को कंसेप्ट को क्लियर करने के लिए हमें क्या शो करना है बच्चे? ये एरो. लुक एट द एरो इन द पिक्चर. आपको एरो से शो करना है who has more. किसके पास ज़्यादा है. Look, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons and there is 4 balloons. किसके ज़्यादा हैं? 7 ज़्यादा हैं या 4? Which is more? 7 और 4? 7 is more than 4 ना. Then हमें क्या करना है बच्चे? ये ओपन माउथ वाला एक एरो ड्रॉ करना है. जो ज़्यादा है मोर वाले के सामने ओपन माउथ करना है एरो का, ऐसे. ओके. Now let's see more example. Which is more, 30 or 28? 30 और 28 में से क्या ज़्यादा है बच्चे? Which is more? 30 is more. तो ओपन माउथ वाला एरो इसकी तरफ ड्रॉ करेंगे हम. ओके. 35 एंड 34 में से 35 इसकी तरफ भी ऐसे ओपन माउथ वाला. Now let's do practice on 5 on the page number 41. We will do practice on 5 on the page number 41. Practice on 5. Count, count, count the objects in चीज़ों. objects means क्या होती है बच्चे? चीज़ें. count means count करनी है, गिनती करनी है अपनी इनकी, counting. count the objects and write arrow. आपको क्या राइट करना है बच्चे? एरो ड्रॉ करना है इन द सर्कल. ओके. नाउ काउंट फर्स्ट पार्ट. काउंट द काइट्स. देयर आर काइट्स ना. 1, 2, 3 काइट्स इन दिस साइड. 1, 2, 3, 4. विच काइट्स आर मोर? दिस या दिस? कौन सी मोर है? दीज आर मोर ना. ये ज़्यादा है ना. नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ एरो विद ओपन माउथ, यानी कि खुले मुंह वाला मोर की तरफ, ज़्यादा की तरफ. ओके. डन. नाउ बी पार्ट. काउंट द पेंसिल्स. 1, 2, 3, 4. नाउ काउंट इट. 1, 2, 3. Which are more? These pencils are more na. Now we will draw open mouth arrow this side. Okay. Done. Now say C part. Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the right side, 1, 2, 3 only. 6 and 3. Which is more? Left side or right hand side? Left side is more na. Now we will draw arrow like this. Open mouth. Okay. खुले मुंह वाला. Now count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, these right hand sides ice creams are more than the left hand side. Right hand side वाली ice creams left hand वाली side ice cream से ज़्यादा है ना, more है ना. Then we will draw open mouth arrow on this side. Done. We had done the practice on 5. Okay.